Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do the handstand with 3 simple exercises, and they're totally free. You don't need equipment for them. So these exercises have actually been tried by me when I wanted to do the handstand. I am still not a pro at doing the handstand, but kind of learned the basics. So yeah, let's get into the video. And by the way, it's my first time recording, so comment down below what you think if I need to improve on the video. And so the first exercise is the pike hold. It's basically when you place your arms in front of you on the floor and then walk on your toes towards your arms until you kind of make a triangle out of your body, and then put all of your weight onto your hands. It's gonna look like you're doing a handstand, but it's just for strengthening your arms, and I recommend you guys to do this for at least a minute. The next exercise is quite self-explanatory. It's the handstand with the wall. It's almost like the actual handstand, but it just helps you with your balance and gives you support from the wall. A tip I would recommend for you guys is to move as close to the wall, since it's gonna give you a good posture, and it's also gonna make it easier for you guys to do the handstand, and it's also gonna avoid aching in the back and in the muscles, because when you do the curved version where your back is curved when you're doing the handstand, it's gonna cause aching in the back because the pressure comes onto your spine and goes sometimes onto your muscles, and I would not recommend you guys to do the curled up one. Last step but not least is, I actually don't know the name for this, so I'm just going to describe the action. It's crawling on the wall with your feet until you do a handstand. This exercise should be done with the front part of your body, unlike the other handstand with the wall. I would recommend you guys to do this step very slowly to make it a lot more easier when you do the actual handstand. And we hit the end. So thanks for watching, guys. If you aren't a trainer yet, please like and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.